friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to make these sanitizer holder. So let's see how to make this sanitizer pouch keychain. I've attached a flap and a keychain. We'll start with a slip knot and a chain of 15. Join with a slip stitch into the first chain of the foundation chain. Insert and pull through. Now we will be working one single crochet into each of these chains. So chain 1 as a returning chain, and into the chains we will be working one single crochet each. So here we have completed 15 single crochets. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. Now we will be doing an increase in each of the stitches. So into the same space we will work one single crochet. So 30 single crochets will be there. So 2 single crochet into the same space and into each of the next 14 single crochets. So total 30 single crochets. So here we have completed 30 single crochets. Insert into the first single crochet and do a slip stitch. So our second round is done. Now I'm going to change the yarn color. So slip knot. Insert the new yarn. Cut the old yarn and start working with the new color. Chain 2. I'll be working double crochets into each of these stitches. 1 double crochet each. So here I have completed 30 double crochets. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete the round. Chain 5. This will count as a double crochet, chain 2, and into the same space we will be working 1 double crochet. Now we'll skip the next 2 stitches and into the next we'll work a double crochet. Chain 2, double crochet all into the same space. Again skip next 2 stitches, into the next work again a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So this will be following in this round. So we have reached the end. Slip stitch into the third chain. Now we will be working in between these, so we'll just slip stitch into the space, chain 2, a double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochets into the same space. Into the next again we'll work a V-stitch. Into the again we'll work a shell, chain 1, 2 double crochet, V-stitch into the next V-stitch, shell into the next, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So this will be continuing throughout for 4 or 5 rounds, that is alternating with shell and V-stitch. Two double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, slip stitch into the chain 2. So we'll just continue doing this. Slip stitch. Here we'll be working a V-stitch. So chain 3 plus 2 for double crochet, chain 2, again a double crochet. Now into the next we'll work shell. So 2 double crochet, chain 1, again 2 double crochets. Into the next we'll work a V stitch. Shell. In this way we'll be alternating the rounds. 2 more rounds we'll be working in this manner. Slip stitch into the third chain. Yes, you ready to go? Okay. So here I have done 5 rounds of the pattern. You can see that we have reached the end. The last row we'll be doing half double crochets. So here I change the yarn color and giving a border, a half double crochet border. If you have doubts regarding changing the yarn color, please check my video. I'll be giving the link in the description box. I'm doing double crochets only through the stitches. I'm skipping all the chains. So only through on top of the double crochets, not on the chains. So skipping all the chains, I'm doing half double crochets throughout as a border, only through the double crochets, not the chains, skipping all the chain spaces. Slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. So our cover is almost ready. It is almost done. Now for the strap. Now for the flap. We'll do chain 2 and 5 half double crochets. Chain 2, 1 in the same space and 4 more half double crochets. 2, 3 and the fourth one. Chain 2, turn your work, 4 more half double crochets. Chain 2 we are not counting as a stitch. Four half double crochets. So here I have worked 6 rows of half double crochets. It's almost reaching here. Now for the buttonhole, again chain 2, half double crochet in the first stitch, chain 2, skip the next 2 and into the last work the half double crochet. So this will be our buttonhole. Just do chain 2, slip stitch into the corner, chain 1 and cut the yarn. So here our sanitizer pouch keyring is ready. Slip stitch into the very first stitch, stitches. So for that, chain 2. For this, we'll do a slip knot and a chain of 20. So foundation chain of 20. Now we'll work half double crochets into each of these. So half double crochet into each of the 20 stitches. Weave in the loose end as you work. So you'll have 20 half double crochets after this round. Slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Now you will be doing 2 half double crochet in each of the half double crochets. Chain 2 and 2 half double crochet each. So into the very first one we will work 1 half double crochet. And into each of the next 19 we will work 2 half double crochet each. Next round we will be working a chain 2, half double crochet into the same space. Chain 2 is not counted as a stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, half double crochet. Again chain 1, skip the next half double crochet. So we'll just continue this till the end. Half double crochets in the alternate stitch with a chain in between. Next row we'll be doing stitches into each of the space and the stitches. So half double crochet into each of the stitches, so 40 half double crochets. So we will be alternating with these 2 rows, that is stitch, chain 1 and stitch, and the 1 row with 40 half double crochets. So we'll just follow this till we reach the required height. So here I have completed the sanitizer holder. I added around 8 sets of the pattern rounds, that is half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet in 1 row, and in the next half double crochets in each of the stitches including the chain 1 spaces. So 40 half double crochets. So in alternating rounds you will be having 20 and 40 half double crochets. I have attached a holder also to this. This I made in the same way as we made the flap for this pouch. But instead I added few rows extra. So around 7 to 8 rounds of half double crochets, and also I gave a single crochet border all around. Hope you will enjoy making these sanitizer keychain or sanitizer holder. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Please feel free to write in your suggestions and opinions in the comments below. So, until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.